In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an email list to Substack. First, make sure you're logged into your Substack account. Once you're signed in, look over to the panel on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all the main navigation lives. Find the option labeled Dashboard and click on it. The dashboard is your control center, where you can manage your posts, your audience, and your settings. Inside the dashboard, keep your focus on that same left-hand panel. Look for the subscribers section and click on it. This is where Substack stores information about everyone who signed up to receive your emails. On the subscribers page, you'll see a button or link that says Add Subscribers. Go ahead and click that. This is the starting point for bringing in your existing email list. After you click Add Subscribers, you'll see different options for adding people. Look for the option that lets you add subscribers by upload. This usually appears as Add Subscribers by Upload. Under this section, there will be a button or field labeled Choose File. Click on Choose File and your computer's file browser will open. Now, navigate through your folders to find the file that contains your email list. This is typically a CSV file, but use whatever format Substack has specified as acceptable. Once you've located the correct file, select it and hit Enter or click Open. Substack will now process the file and a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, Substack will show you how many email addresses it found in your file. Take a second to review that number to make sure it looks right. You'll also see a field asking, where did this list come from? Use this space to briefly explain the source of your list, such as another email service provider or a sign-up form on your website. This helps Substack confirm that your list is legitimate. Below that, you'll see checkboxes. Make sure you check Send Welcome Email to New Subscribers if you want new contacts to get an introduction to your publication. Also check These people have opted into receiving emails. Only do this if your list truly consists of people who gave permission to be contacted. When everything looks good, click the Import button. After you start the import, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a section called Your Import. Here, Substack shows the file name, the status of the import, the date, and how many emails were added or skipped. If some addresses were skipped, it's often because they were duplicates or invalid. Now, all you need to do is wait for the confirmation email from Substack about your import. Once you receive that, your email list has been successfully added to your publication and you're ready to start sending newsletters to your new audience.